This is Amy Chan with CakeDecoratingSchool.com, and if you like cake decorating, you're in the right place. If you're interested in this product, check out the links in the description. In this video, we are talking about glitter glaze. Specifically, this set of little sparkly glitter glazes made by Chefmaster. It comes as a trio of gold, silver, and pearl, and we like them. What can I say? They come in these little lip gloss style tubes with a screw top, and it has a little built-in applicator, which is one of the things that I love. And while it's not really practical if you're running, say, a cake studio, because it's such a small amount and a tiny applicator, I do find it useful for painting things like little border details on, say, royal iced sugar cookies. And the thing that I use it most for is touch-ups on site. We do a lot of airbrushed metallic cakes, and you can't necessarily take your compressor with you to go deliver a cake, but I can take these little guys as backup. So they come with me in my kit, and I have them on site for touch-ups for various projects and reasons, and I found them really handy and frankly a little bit of a lifesaver. So they're great for either, say, home use if you're doing some decorating with cakes and cookies, or in a production setting as a great travel size metallic for fixes on site. And just to show you the finishes, the gold is a nice, soft, light kind of gold color. It has a really good shine and sparkle. Typically, if you're going on, say, a white background, it might take 2 coats and you do have to let it dry in between, but it'll give you nice solid coverage, and it doesn't have a lot of streaking. Some of the edible paints we've used are a lot thicker, and when you're applying them, I notice it has some buildup in thicker areas and lines and ridges. This goes on really kind of nice and smooth and has a nice flat finish. The silver, same deal. It's a nice light silver. This one is actually only 1 coat, and it'll give you a nice solid coverage. Anytime I'm doing metallics like this, say gold or silver, I always generally color the fondant or the buttercream I'm going on top of, either a light kind of tan gold color or a pale gray, so that I get less show through and I need less product. And then the last one is the pearl, which I think is maybe my favorite. It gives you just a nice overall shimmer. So it's a great way to add detail to, say, borders or maybe a monogram or something of that nature, just to give it a little sparkle and make it stand out a tiny bit without being that attention grabbing, which is sometimes the way you want to go if you're looking for a classy finish for a wedding. The one thing I've noticed with the pearl is if I use it on top of a color, you can potentially, depending on the type of product you're painting on, get a little color transfer. So be careful with this one and don't use it on top of any dark colors especially. And if you're using it on any light colors and you see transfer, make sure you're cleaning the wand before you put it back in. Overall, they're a really great product. We're happy with them, and they make a great lifesaver on site when we're doing deliveries. If you like this video and you'd like to check out more about cake decorating equipment or materials, or just some inspirational videos about cake decorating itself, you can follow us on Insta or YouTube at Cake Decorating School. If you'd like more information about yearly membership and what it entails, you can find it at www.cakedecoratingSchool.com. And if you're interested in this product, check out the link in the description.